Sanibonani nganza kwethu. Nasi isiqeshana sempilo yami phecelezi i-vlog namukelekile ke kwi-YouTube channel yami. Please like, subscribe and comment.
Yeah, Sanbon. Nganjelati, I will go back to gym. I have a gym partner.
I wasn't his gym partner. I don't know how I became his gym partner. He just found it. I don't know. He weaseled his way into my gym partnering life.
Day 2 of gym, though.
No, not for me. It's day 4. 5.
Okay, I will catch up. Skobo. It's more important that Minangisi now in the morning before I start my day. God bless you. Have a beautiful day. Push for the week. We've got so much to do. But let's do so much vlogging. Hey?
Nganza kwethu, angethembe nisasithakasela isiqeshana sami. Kusayikhathi zasekuseni ke namhlanje nomuntu usanda kufika nasetohweni. Phela kuthiwa kubamba ezingelayo. Kuthanda ukuba kuningane kufuna lesikwenze namhlanje. Kodwa hayi asikhalazi. Kwazise konke okulungile. Okuhle nokuyizibusiso kuvela kumveli nqangi. Elithizwi sibonga iNkosi ngazo zonke izibusiso. Size singasoli nesodwa. Omunye mhlawumbe ungabe uyazibuza ukuthi kaze lo mfanyana omncane kangaka wenza umsebenzi muni. Awuze nendlebe ngikuzele nendaba. I am a public relations and marketing liaison for 2 departments at the Nelson Mandela University, namely the Transformation Office and the Department of Industrial and Organizational Psychology, which is also my academic department. Let me take you in on one of the projects that I am currently working on within the institution.
It had been hours since the rape took place. I also remember the father.
Impelo Bone Kahle. That is a podcast. We are currently editing and we will launch latest by April. My work is deeply rooted in advocacy, the work of transformation emphakathini yethu, community outreach, and post-school subject awareness. Ngiphinde ngibe a-content creator, a concept and script writer, and a content producer for the departments that I work for.
Usem ilomngani ohlezi esefonini. When was the last call you had today?
Now.
Happy Valentine's. Let's go.
When is Valentine? What are we?
Bingin' nice. Let's go.
Not big. Smile, kung gusto ko tuhig, puja.
I have come into acceptance with my life.
Program director said what?
Doing big
Big
University PR babies. See you later, alligator. Have a good day. You Peter, uyazi ukuthi imonto yakho ibeke phi? My Lord, my Jesus. Can you please buy me a car?
Mtaka Gogo, please subscribe, like, and engage in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.